Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Whisperer, your go-to source for the latest in tech. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated IQOO NEO 10 Pro. We'll explore its release dates, standout features, and expected pricing across global markets, including Bangladesh and India. Let's get started.
The IQOO NEO 10 Pro made its debut in China on November 29, 2024. While there's no official confirmation for its global release, patterns suggest a potential launch in India around February 2025, mirroring the NEO 9 Pro's timeline. As for Bangladesh, the device hasn't been officially released yet, but enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its arrival.
Now, let's delve into what makes the IQOO NEO 10 Pro stand out.
A 6.78-inch AMOLED screen boasting a 1260 by 2800 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support.
Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with options of 12GB or 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage.
Dual 50MP rear cameras and a 16MP front-facing camera. A robust 6100 mAh battery supporting 120W fast charging.
Runs on Android 15 with OriginOS 5.
Pricing is always a crucial factor. Here's what we anticipate.
India. Expected to be priced under 40,000 rupees for the base variant.
Bangladesh. Unofficial sources suggest a price of around 65,000 Bangladeshi takas for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model.
Global markets. Pricing will vary, but it's likely to be competitive, aligning with the brand's strategy to offer high-end specs at accessible prices.
The IQOO NEO 10 Pro is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the smartphone market. Offering top-tier features at a competitive price point, whether you're a gamer, a photography enthusiast, or someone seeking a powerful device, this phone promises to deliver.
That's all for today's deep dive into the IQOO NEO 10 Pro. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech updates.
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the IQOO NEO 10 Pro?
Until next time, stay tech savvy.